Welcome to the Wealthfront Robo-advisor for Investing Review. Usage Experience. Links to the platform are available in the description for those who want to explore it further. Wealthfront is a highly regarded robo-advisor designed for individuals looking to automate their investments and take advantage of advanced financial planning tools. Whether you're saving for retirement, buying a home, or simply growing your wealth, Wealthfront offers features tailored to meet diverse financial goals with minimal effort. At its core, Wealthfront uses a passive investment strategy based on modern portfolio theory. It constructs a diversified portfolio of low-cost ETFs spanning asset classes like U.S. and international stocks, bonds, real estate, and natural resources. Automatic rebalancing ensures your portfolio stays aligned with your target allocation, while tax loss harvesting optimizes your taxable accounts, potentially boosting after-tax returns. These features run seamlessly in the background, making Wealthfront an excellent choice for hands-off investors. One standout feature is Wealthfront's Path tool, an intuitive financial planning system powered by AI. Path helps you visualize and plan for goals like retirement, college savings, or major purchases by integrating with external accounts to provide a complete picture of your financial health. Wealthfront also offers a unique cash management feature, including high-yield savings and checking accounts, enabling users to earn interest on idle cash while keeping funds accessible. Wealthfront charges an annual management fee of 0.25%, and there are no additional fees for features like financial planning or tax loss harvesting. This makes it a cost-effective option for those seeking comprehensive investment and financial management. It's also worth noting that Wealthfront offers a minimum investment requirement of $500, making it accessible to beginners. This platform is ideal for individuals who value automation, want to grow their wealth over time, and appreciate easy-to-use planning tools. It's particularly well-suited for tech-savvy investors who prefer a hands-off approach, but still want powerful insights and tools to stay on track. If you're looking for a smart, all-in-one investment solution, Wealthfront is worth considering. Check out the links in the description to get started today.